In this lesson, we'll cover creating power circuits. So looking at our model, we have several power outlets that have been applied or added to various rooms. Some of these outlets already belong to power circuits. For example, the ones on the right. I see we have wires going between outlet to outlet, and if you were to click on one of these outlets, you'll notice on the ribbon we have an electrical circuit tab, meaning it belongs to an electrical circuit. Click anywhere in the background to deselect. We also have outlets in the room in the upper left that are not tagged or do not belong to a circuit. Their colors are different too. So how do we create a circuit for these elements or outlets within this room? One method is to click on one of the outlets. When I select the power outlet, or in this case the receptacle, I see an option on the ribbon on the very right to create a power system or a power circuit. Go ahead and click Power. This will create a new circuit pulling information from this actual receptacle or outlet, and I'm able to view this information in the ribbon and also on the Properties area on the left. Now, to add other outlets or receptacles to this power circuit, on the ribbon, click Edit Circuit. Once you do that, you're in the Edit Circuit portion of the ribbon. Verify Add to Circuit is selected, and simply start to select the different outlets or receptacles that you would like to include within this circuit. Now, if one of these elements belong to another circuit, Revit would prompt you, and it would remove that element from the other circuit, adding it to this circuit. If you have already drawn a panel box and you know the name of that panel box that you want the circuit connected to, you could simply select the panel box from the drop-down list. If you visually see the panel box on the screen, you could select Select Panel from the actual ribbon. At this point, just click Finish Editing Circuit. This now adds all of those elements to the given circuit. To view these elements within the circuit, I can select one of the elements, in this case the receptacle, and I can see they're added to the electrical circuit. Once again, to edit the circuit, I can click Edit Circuit. And if I wanted to choose a panel box, such as the panel box PP2B, I could select it, and it would apply the panel box to this circuit. Once you apply a circuit and connect it to a panel box, the actual icons change from red to black. Click Finish Editing Circuit. Now, the circuit is complete. The circuit is created, but you don't see the cosmetic lines or the arcs going from outlet to outlet. The wires are purely cosmetic, and they're drawn using the Wire tool located on the ribbon of the Systems tab. To do that, let's go to the Systems tab and click Wire. Again, this is purely cosmetic, just showing the electrician or the electrical installer of how these should be wired together. Now, to draw my circuit wire, simply click on one of my actual outlets, or in this case receptacle, drag to click a second point of my arc, and then drag to click the third point of my arc. And then just repeat the process, drawing a 3-point arc from receptacle to receptacle, or whatever other elements are within your power system. When you're done, simply click Modify. So as a review, in this lesson, we looked at creating power circuits. We looked at an existing circuit by just selecting one of the actual receptacles and seeing that it was tied to a circuit. To create a new power circuit for receptacles not in a circuit, we selected one of those receptacles and then chose Power System from the actual ribbon. This created a new power circuit, and from there we were able to add the other receptacles to this power circuit. We also were able to tie this circuit to a panel. With the circuit being created, the last step was to create the cosmetic wires using the Wire tool, which basically draws arcs or allows you to draw arcs from receptacle to receptacle within the circuit.